Hello, sweet granddaughters. Hi, Lila. Hi, Jane. Hi, Annie. Hi, Jacqueline. How are my sweet girls today? I hope you've had a good day. Grandma's got her jammies on and all ready for bed. And I love this book. It's called The Big Sneeze by Ruth Brown. It's really good. One hot afternoon, the farmer and his animals were dozing in the barn. See, he's sleeping, taking a nap. The only sound they could hear was the buzz of a fly. Can you see the fly? Right there. There's the fly. Suddenly, the buzzing stopped, and the fly had landed right on the end of the farmer's nose. Look at that. What do you think's gonna happen? Achoo, said the farmer. He sneezed so hard that the fly was blown high up into the spider's web. Well, then this disturbed the spider who captured the fly. Which alerted the sparrow who chased the spider. There's a lot of action going on here. This awakened the cat who leapt at the bird. Which woke the dog and frightened the rats. The rats said, "We're out of here." Who fled from the barn, chased by the dog. The dog went right after those rats. Which scattered the startled hens from their roost. Jacqueline and Lila know what they say. And panicked the terrified donkey. What does the donkey say? Okay. "What on earth have you done?" said the farmer's wife. "Nothing, my dear," replied the farmer. "I only sneezed." All those things happen because of one thing, a sneeze. Well, I hope you enjoyed this book, The Big Sneeze, and I hope you all have a good night's sleep in your cozy beds and your warm blankets and happy thoughts of all the things you did today. Grandma loves you very much. Have a good night's sleep. Good night.